Welcome, this is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Pass question. Question number 31. The instruction to this question says that we should look out for the option that is nearest a meaning to the underlined word in this sentence. And in this sentence, the underlined word is reluctant. And now let us read the sentence now. The boy was reluctant to carry out the order of his senior. The boy was reluctant to carry out the order of his senior. Option A, adamant. Option B, slow. Option C, sluggish. Option D, unwilling. Now this question is from a topic we call word formation in English. Word formation. And under word formation we have what we call synonyms. So, and synonyms simply means words replacement. So we are replacing this underlined word with another word that can actually give us the same meaning. So I want to talk of adamant. Option 8. Adamant means being stick to one's decision or one position. Then slow is synonymous to retard, and slow is also synonymous to sluggishness. Then sluggish is synonymous to slow or delay. Then unwilling is synonymous to reluctant. That is all the truth. Reluctant. And reluctant is also synonymous to infringement. Yes, infringement. So the boy was reluctant to carry out the order of his senior. So one can say that the boy was unwilling to carry out the order of his senior. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.